Hi there. Welcome to a new episode of An Ordinary Review with PJ. Today's episode is a special recommendation from Vikas ji. Vikas ji has been an ardent follower of my reviews and has been giving me good suggestions and feedback. Thank you, Vikas ji. The movie that I'm reviewing for you today is a classical whodunit murder mystery. The movie is streaming on ZEE5. It's called Silence, Can You Hear It? And it stars Manoj Bajpayee, Arjun Mathur and Prachi Desai in pivotal roles. So the synopsis of the movie is a murder mystery, a murder which has happened, and it's all about investigation to figure out who was murdered, why was she murdered, who did it, and why. So right at the beginning, there are this bunch of boys who have gone trekking up a hill, and as soon as they reach the top of the hill, they are celebrating and they start hearing a cell phone ringing. First they think it's one of their cell phones ringing, but soon they realize it's none of theirs, and there's somewhere on the top of the hill a cell phone is ringing. So they go in search of it and stumble upon this body of a girl lying dead with a cell phone in her pocket. They get scared, they call in the police, and the police start investigating to figure out whose body is it. And they soon realize that the bodies of Barkha Singh, the character played by Barkha Singh, who is the daughter of a retired judge. And she had actually previous night gone to meet a friend, and since then nobody had a clue where she had been. So the retired judge obviously is heartbroken that his daughter is found dead, and he goes to the police commissioner to request him to assign the case to Manoj Bajpayee. Now, Manoj Bajpayee is shown to be a cop who has been using his own methods, sometimes beyond the law, to solve the cases. So he's not very popular in the police department because his methods sometimes bring unwanted attention to the police department. So the police commissioner is not very keen to assign the case to him, but on the insistence of the judge, he assigns him the case and gives him a new team to function, which includes Prachi Desai as one of the assistants. And thereafter, the movie moves very fast on the investigation of figuring it out, who killed Barkha Singh, why was she murdered, and of course, who's behind it. The plot has been very well laid out. The investigative process is quite engrossing in the way the deductions are made to figure out how Barkha Singh would have been killed and who are the possible suspects behind her death, her murder. Arjun Mathur plays the role of a politician whose wife is shown to be a good friend of Barkha Singh, and she in fact had come to his house the previous night to meet his wife, but she was not there. She had gone to Pune, so she stays overnight, and next day she is found dead. So Arjun Mathur is obviously a chief suspect in this case, and of course there are other characters who are also under the needle of suspicion in the investigation. So overall, the movie is quite engrossing the way the investigation process moves, and there are obviously plot elements that you will realize that you are able to predict what the next steps could be. So there are some obvious things that you will be able to deduct as you sit through the investigation that is ongoing. But there are obviously some nice twist elements that you will encounter towards the climax of the movie. Overall, it's quite an engrossing whodunit murder mystery. In terms of performances, the highlight of the performances is Manoj Bajpayee. The entire movie hinges on him. He is the centerpiece of this entire murder mystery. Every time he's on the screen, you are totally glued, watching him, mesmerized by his acting and his performance. He is well supported by Prachi Desai and Arjun Mathur and all the other characters. But the star of the movie, by you would want to see it from beginning to end, is Manoj Bajpayee. So if you like murder mysteries, if you like Manoj Bajpayee, this is a good one to catch. It's called Silence, Can You Hear It? Streaming on ZEE5. Thank you for watching my reviews. Thank you for sharing your feedback and subscribing to my channels, and also sharing my channel with your friends and family. I look forward to recommendations from you which I can see and review and bring more interesting reviews for you in the future. So thank you once again. Keep safe. Till next time. Bye bye.